Hi, in this brief tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do a tacking stitch. Now a tacking stitch is primarily used to it's a temporary stitch that holds two pieces of fabric together while you're working on something. So to do it you don't need a knot at the end or anything, you just literally need thread. Now for the purposes of this video I'm actually using two strands of black embroidery floss just so as you can see clearly what I'm doing, and I'm going to be working it into this blue fabric. Now to do the tacking stitch is literally you just go in from the front, and remember you'll be tacking two pieces of material together, and you can do a quite large stitch with this. Now you want to leave a piece of the thread at the very end and not pull it through, and you basically work the stitch like this. Okay, so it's like that. Now it's a temporary stitch and it's for putting two pieces of material together, say when you are getting ready to machine sew something or other. Works like that, holds the two pieces of fabric together. You would snip it off, and then at the very end, say if I was machine sewing it along here, the very end you'd actually just remove the thread like that.